Hello everyone, welcome to Learn C. I am M.Vishali. My roll number is 22B01A05A4 and was guided by Dr. M.Prasad, Associate Professor, Department of CSC, Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women, Bhimbaram. Now let's enter into the program. The aim of the program is to write a C program that uses functions to perform the following operation: to insert a substring into a given main string from a given position. To write a C program, first we have to mention the header files like #include stdio.h and #include string.h, which stores the user defined functions. And we have to write the main function. In main function, we have to declare and initialize the variables which are used in the program later. After that, we have to enter the first string and enter the second string. Let the first string be the main string and it can be stored in A. And we have to enter the second string and let the second string be the substring and it can be stored in B. After that, let's consider the length of the string A is R and length of the string B is N, where N and R are variables. After that, we have to enter the position where insertion takes place. And after that, we have to consider two variables S and O, where S is equal to sum of string lengths of A and B and O is equal to sum of string length of A and position which insertion takes place. Now let us consider a space string C which is used to store the main string. To copy the main string to the string C, we have to write a while loop. Here we have written the condition I less than or equal to R, where R is the string length of A. Here, entering into the loop, we have written that C of I equal to A of I and I++. Here, each character of string A should be copied in the string C at the same position. So, we have written this while loop. After that, we have to equalize the C of P to the variable X, where P is the position where insertion takes place, so that the position the character is stored in the variable X. After that, we have written the for loop. Actually, the for loop contains of three parts. One is initialization, second is condition, third is increment or decrement. Here we have taken the initialization as I equal to P, where P is the position where insertion takes place. S is the sum of string lengths of A and B and increment by 1. While entering into the for loop, we have again written the simple if condition. Here we have taken the if condition as t less than n, where t is a unknown variable which already we initialize as 0 at initialization, and after that which where n equal to string length of b. Here in this loop, if loop, we have written that c of I equal to b of t, which means C of I and B of t will be merged. That is, C of I is the string where the positioned character is excluded and B of t is the substring which we should add it. And here the substrings each character is added to the uh, space string where we excluded the positioned character. After that, we have initialized the variable x as 9 at the above for loop, so that again we have to add that to the original C which we completed in if loop. C of O equal to X. X here O is the sum of the position and the string length of B. After that, we have to close the for loop. Now we have to print the uh, C string which we get after the for loop. And since we have mentioned the int main, we have to return some value that is 0. And we close the main function. Here comes the output. The compiler asks the user to enter first string. Let's take the first string as PROGRAM9 and the second string as MING. Now it asks to enter the position where insertion takes place. Let the position be 7. Now the substring MING will be inserted in the main string PROGRAM9 in 7th position. In the main string, we have 9 at the 7th position. So the insertion will take place between M and 9. So the occurred string is PROGRAMMING9. Hence, the insertion of a string is completed. Thank you.